Hey guys, welcome back to another First Look Friday. It's been a while, but I am super excited to share this with you. I apologize, the box is open, so you're not going to get to see me cutting the tape, but I did just get this. I recorded this whole intro segment and forgot to hook up the microphone. That's how long it's been since I've done a recording. But I have this to share with you, the first look at it, as well as some really exciting news for everybody as well. And this sort of ties in with that news. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. As you can see here by the tape, this is from my friends at D-Dey Response Group. And it is the new R-60 IFAK or first aid kit, however you want to put this. For those of you who don't know, my name is Noah. I am one of the owners here at Wise Men Company. We do a whole bunch of stuff here at Wise Men Company. We have products from Lunar Concepts as well as our own line of EDC gear that we make. We also do photography, videography, social media management, and of course, we are with you here on YouTube. You see Ben all the time with his range videos and his shooting stuff, and then occasionally you get me doing some of the other stuff as well. So without further ado, let's get into this R-60. And I have been looking for a new first aid kit for a trip that I have coming up, and that is the big announcement. Many of you know Ivan over at Kit Badger. You might be aware that he is doing a coast-to-coast tour. He bought a big bus, and the exciting news is he has invited me to be a part of that trip. So as of tomorrow, I am flying out to meet Ivan out there. He's picking me up, and Ivan and I are going across the country together. Bunch of exciting things going on, some range days, and I thought it would be really great to have a good first aid IFAK with me on that trip. D-Dey released this. It's the first new release that they've done in quite some time. I think almost since they started the company, and here it is. So the first thing you'll notice is it does come in this really nice Pelican R-60 ruck case. It does have these really neat handles. This is really nice. It'll fit in the bottom of a backpack. I can strap it to a backpack. It is a bit hefty. I wouldn't want to go on a long hiking trip with this. But I have been getting into kayaking, things like that. This is really nice. The way it's set up, I could strap this right to the kayak, have it with me. And there are two versions of this. I got the basic version. The advanced one comes with Celox. I figured I could add that later. I think that it's a great thing to have. I just didn't invest in it for this go round. So let's pop this baby open. All right. And look at that, it does come with a sticker. Stickers are always nice. And here it is, all put together. So you have your shears, got a tray here. Let's see. The nose thing, nasopharyngelia, as well as lubricating jelly for an airway. It does come with the cat. I will get that taken out of the bag and set up properly. Emergency trauma dressing, tape, which is always nice, saline rinse, that's fantastic to have, triangle bandage, and then some various gauze, gauze padding, things like that. Again, at the top here we have the trauma shears, a pair of tweezers. Can't tell you how often that actually can come in handy for slivers, things like that. Then this little thing looks like it pops open here to give you access. It looks like we got some gloves, maybe an eye patch, I think. D-Dey's card. Emergency blanket, which is always handy for outdoor stuff. And then a great, one of the, oh nice, 2 pairs of gloves it looks like, a waterproof bag, a D-Dey waterproof bag. Let's see, what do we got in there? Oh nice, it looks like there's actually a thermometer strips in here. So, especially these days, that's kind of handy. You got thermometer strip, iodine pads, alcohol pads. Make sure I don't get this stuff mixed up too much. This is nice. This is sort of like the boo-boo kit in here. It's got some Band-Aids, triple antibiotic cream, some aspirin, some Motrin, Tylenol. What else we got in here? Diotame. That one I'm actually not 100% sure. Gonna have to check on that and see what that one is. I actually don't know Diotame. Aspirin, some Benadryl, which is great. Some rehydration salts, fantastic. Steri strips. Looks like some smelling salts as well. So that's sort of like your boo-boo kit. That's great. And then some of the more, we got a chest seal. This is the more trauma stuff. It's 2 compact chest seals. And a, some burn dressings. So that's what it is, guys. I'm pretty excited. It's the first look at it. I don't think there's really a lot. I know that they're sold out right now on their website. And their website is D-Dey.com. This is the R-60. And it doesn't have the price on there right now. I apologize, I don't have the invoice, and because it's sold out, it doesn't give me the price on the website right now. But an investment well worth it. The case. So this is going to be a your basic trauma kit and boo-boo kit, sort of all put together in a really great case. And I'm going to be taking this with me on the coast-to-coast trip with Ivan. I'm really excited to have this both at the ranges and some of the adventures that we're going to be doing. I would highly recommend that you go check out D-Dey. Let them know that we sent you from Wiseman Company. Just so you know, again, I did pay for this. They didn't send this to me. I felt that this was worth having on the trip and having in my personal kit and having available here at Wiseman Company. If you would like to get some more information about the trip and about what I'm doing, make sure that you are following Wiseman Company on Instagram as well as here on YouTube. Also, I'd highly recommend that you check out my personal Instagram page and be watching for some new exciting things with our Ko-Fi page or Ko-Fi page or coffee page, whatever you want to call it. We are going to be setting up a subscription for that, so you'll be able to get some first looks at the trip before everybody else. And there's a whole bunch of cool stuff going on. So really excited about this and about the trip. Thank you, Ivan, and we'll be talking and seeing all of you guys with that real soon. Thanks so much for joining us. Make sure if you enjoyed this, you hit that like button, subscribe button, the whole usual shebang. Share it with your friends. We really do appreciate it. Guys, thanks so much for joining us, and I'll be seeing you very soon here on the channel.